Hi, friends. Welcome back. Miss Walker, Monkey the Mathematician. We are here to do Module 5, Lesson 4, which is called Solve, Add to, and Take from Problems. So our objective today, repeat after me, is I can write equations to solve word problems when the result, change, or start is unknown. Awesome. So we are going to jump right into it. There's no spark you're learning today. We are just going to start right away with our first problem. So it says, Sophia grows 15 tomatoes. I'm just circling as I go those numbers. She gives Joe some tomatoes. That's a key word. I'm going to put a box around some. She has 7, circling 7, tomatoes left. How many tomatoes does she give Joe? I'm going to underline my question. So she starts with 15. She gives some to Joe. We don't know how many. That's what our unknown is. And then she has 7 left. So we have to draw to show the problem. So before we do it, I thought I could ask you a couple quick questions. So what information are you given to help you solve this problem? Yeah, that Sophia grew 15 tomatoes and she has 7 left after she gave some away. What information is missing? What do we need to figure out? Yes, how many did she give to Joe? That's so important. So for our drawing, it says draw to show the problem. What do you need to find? Think. I need to find how many tomatoes Sophia gives Joe. Awesome. So we need to figure that out. So boys and girls, if we draw 15 circles to represent the 15 tomatoes, and then we color them to show how many she has left. We could do uncolored circles to show the one she gives to Joe. So let's go ahead and do our drawing. So let's start with a circle shape. And we are going to do, I'll do red since it's tomatoes. We're going to do 15 circles to represent the 15 tomatoes. Can you count to 15 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome job, friends. Now, I think we should color them. Let's see. Yeah, let's color them to show how many she has left. So it says she has 7 left. So let's go ahead and color 7 of them. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then how many tomatoes does she have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has how many left? 8. That's right. So we need to write an equation. So if we started with 15 tomatoes and we subtracted 7 to try to figure out how many she gave away, how many did we say she had left? Or I'm sorry, not left. How many did we say she gave Joe? How many did we count right here? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She gave 8 to Joe. So Sophia gives Joe 8 tomatoes. Awesome, friends. If you need to pause, you can. Pause if you need to. I'm going to move on to the next page now. So if you want to pause, go for it. All right, so number 2, it says there are some blocks in a basket. Some is a key word. I'm going to put a box around it. We don't know how many blocks. Maya put 6 more, circling 6, boxing more blocks in the basket. Now there are 14 blocks in the basket. Oops, I'm gonna try that again. 14 blocks in the basket. How many blocks were in the basket to start? How many blocks were in the basket to start? So friends, what do you need to find out? Is it a start unknown? Is the change unknown? Or is the result unknown? What is unknown? Yes, it's a start unknown. We don't know how many she started with in the basket. So, we need to draw a drawing to figure this out. So we can go ahead and start by drawing the blocks, circles to represent the blocks. So let's start with the 6 more that she put in the basket. Can you count to 6 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many blocks are now in the basket? There's 14. So we're going to count on from 6 till we get to 14. So what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great job. Now, friends, we need to write an equation. So let's go ahead and write an equation. So if we start with how many we know, we started with 6. And then how many more did we have to draw to get up to 14? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 8. And then how many blocks do we know that she had at the end? Yes, she had 14. Awesome. So now it says, write a subtraction equation that solves the problem. Think, I start with the number of blocks in the basket now. Then I subtract the number of blocks Maya put in the basket. So we started with 14, and it tells us to subtract how many she put in the basket. How many did she put? Yes, she put 6. And then, so if we started with 14 and we took away 6, so if we cross out these red ones, how many did we have left? What did we say? Yes, there were 8. So that gives us, we figured out how many she started with, right? Because it was a start unknown problem. So she started with 8, she put 6 more in, and then she had 14. Awesome. So there were 8 blocks in the basket to start. Time for a turn and talk. Monkey, can you explain how the equations help you understand the word problem? Oh, monkey, come back. Monkey, you have to stay over here so the children can see. Okay, so how the equations help you understand the word problem? What do you think? Awesome. So Monkey said that the equations are another way to see how the numbers relate in the problem relate to each other. So this showed us how the numbers relate, and this showed us how the numbers relate to each other in the problem. High five, Monkey. Great job, friends. You did such an awesome job. Oh, okay, Monkey, of course. He always wants to show you his special flipping skills at the end. High five. Great job. We look forward to seeing you next time.